Sna and N. S and N makes it snap. Snack. See now, look at this. So many letters. One syllable. It is not
Snacks.
This is the whole trouble with English spelling. And the sound of the vowel gives intelligibility to the. They are all consonants, only one vowel. And here again, this is a, like cat, mat, bat. Okay? So it is the same A, but so many different sounds in different places. And this just English reading is to be attempted only after the oral language has been mastered properly. Because the written English, the spelling does not conform to the sound of the word actually in spoken language. The sound of the word has to be learned first, used fluently, and then that is transferred to these which are very rather imperfect way of doing it. Right? In our Devanagari script at least, that one word is only ka. But in English, ka is represented sometimes by C, by K, by CH, character, CH. So it is not, it is very difficult to be able to, if I master the Devanagari script, all the intricacies of it, that one line here, that kana, matra, ko, kana yani ka, velanti yani ki, a little thing down there is ku. Once I have mastered that, I don't have to be able to understand the language, but I still will be able to read it correctly, which you will understand. It's not that way with English. No way. By reading alone, if I have mastered the script, how it is pronounced, I will be able to read in Marathi without understanding a word of it, which I cannot do in English. So therefore, you have to be very careful not to drill them in phonics only. In fact, at school they are going to do it, let them do it. But at home you have to tell them that A is not always pronounced A. Because right now they must be at the cat, mat, bat stage.
Yes.
Okay. But that is why I am doing it here. That this A, now here it is saw, paw, waw, it is. Okay. Now another thing. Now I will tell you something. What is this? Talk. Look at this and say, what is this?
Talk.
What is this?
Rat.
Okay, right. What is this?
Rat.
Snack. Look here. Snack.
Snack.
That's right. Snack is something that you eat. Snack. That's right. S and A it is. Okay. Right. Here in talk, A is O. Here in rat, A is A. Now here, just look at this. What is this?
It is late.
Late. Correct.
Late.
Late. What is the meaning of late? What is the meaning? So come on, explain the way you like.
When Tulpa came, I get up late.
Oh
in
my!
the morning.
I got up late in the morning. Say that. I got up late in the morning.
I got up late in the morning.
And school bus came and went away.
That Tulpa came and went away.
I got up late. Late, that is late. Now here, how is this pronounced? Here it was A, here it is A, and now here it is A. Isn't it?
A.
Yes. No, here A, and here
A.
Yes. Now look. Different sound. Late. Even this. develop the language properly. And then you have the experience of your language talking. I don't say tag or I don't say talk. Here was this. I say take. That's right. Take means what?
You take.
You take, correct. When you give me fees, you say take fees. Isn't it?
Take fees.
You say take fees. A, long A it is. Okay, this is a long A. Take, late, hate, bake. B-A-K-E. Bake. A cake. Yes. Bake a cake. Mommy bakes a cake. Bake a cake means you make the cake mixture and you put it in the oven, and that is called bake. You bake cookies and you bake a cake. Bake. That is, you cook the food, but you bake in the oven. In the oven. Okay, you bake. What does a baker do? You have a baker. That day he hasn't come again. And I showed you that picture. Yes, the baker shop. In the baker shop there are pizzas and cakes and pastries. Forgot? Baker bakes the cake. Okay, I can give some. Baker bakes biscuits and cookies and cakes and pastries. So say, baker bakes. Say that. Baker bakes a cake. Bakes. It's a verb. Baker bakes a cake. And pizza, pastries, cookies,
Breads, bread, buns.
bread and bun. What does the baker do? What does the baker do? Come on, say, just now we talked about. The baker. Baker, A. Like in this thing, this is bake. Bake, take, late. A, the A here is A, not back. Okay? And here again, what do we say? Baker.
Pizza, bread.
Right. The short and long vowels must be distinctly pronounced. Okay? It's a lot of the intelligibility of the word. Cookies, yes. Pronounce on the correct pronunciation of the vowels. The vowels are to be pronounced properly and you must know how to pronounce them. Okay? Because the same vowel, and that is purely through hearing. The same vowel sound is used in so many different, the same vowel letter, A or E, is pronounced in so many different ways.